Hello guys, we have started the new project in Apparel. In this complex, we will do the furniture work with painting in this building. This is the current update of the property. So this is the main door. Here we will do the laminate changes and some additional work. Here the provision of TV unit and above we will do the false ceiling if the quotation approved. This is the kitchen area. So here the window extension work will start today. So today we will break this wall, and here the modular kitchen provision. Here a tube-light place where one cabinet will be there, and behind that there is a one unit, and this is the kitchen. Here we will extend the kitchen in L shape. After the all work completed, we will start the painting. And this one is the bedroom area. So here we will do the painting after the work completed, and behind this column there will be one wardrobe. So this is the before situation of the property. So guys, we have started with the window extension and the L-type framing of kitchen. Here the civil work is been completed. In the civil work there was a window extension and some kitchen platform work. Actually the before kitchen was vertical and we had just changed it to L type, and some dolpuri tiles work was here. So civil work has been completed and now the furniture work is going on. So I'll show you the update in this video about the Lower Parel project in Mumbai. So here at main entrance area, the Dholpuri tiles work has been completed. Some electrical work provision also completed. Now the furniture work is going on. This is the main door and we will modify it. We will not do the safety door work, but we will modify it by providing the center jali here, and we'll change the laminate. So this is the status of current of this project. So furniture work is going on, cutting work is going on for the wardrobe, for the modular kitchen, for the TV unit. So you can see here. Also I'll show you the update. So this kitchen was before vertical and now it is in L type shape, and here the provision of modular kitchen. And this window was 3 by 3 and now it's 3 by 5, and here we did some platform for sitting arrangement, and after we will apply here doors for storage purpose in below section. So this is the current update of this project. This is the final update of the project. Today the painting work is also completed. So in this area we have did the Dolpuri tiling work. Here the safety door work. This is the living room area, final painting update. Bedroom area.